Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you this video on how some Bank of America customers woke up to money missing from their account. Now, I wanted to give you guys this information and tell you some steps to help you protect yourself and safeguard your money. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit the notification bell so you can get ongoing videos from me as I upload them. Also, we have a sponsor for this video, and they also include privacy and fraud protection. So check out this information.
Smart Credit is a fast, simple solution to a better credit score, more online privacy, and greater control of your money. Did you know the average person can add 97 points to their credit score but aren't aware of it? They don't even know how to get these points. Our average member adds 61 points in just 20 days using Smart Credit. That could save you $10,000 in interest on a car loan and over $100,000 in the life of the average mortgage loan. And Smart Credit is the only credit management system that gives you a spending and payment plan to help you add more points to your credit score. And if you already have a good credit score, this feature shows you how spending could affect your score and how to prevent losing these hard-earned points. Plus, we don't just show your credit score and provide alerts, we're the only ones to give you a personalized plan with action buttons to add points. Our patented action buttons allow you to communicate directly with your creditors and even your financial institutions to dispute errors, ID fraud, and more. No more mailing letters and no more long hold times. We also help protect you and your loved ones. Our $1 million whole family fraud and scam insurance covers your entire family in your household at a much lower cost than the competition. And by the way, have you Googled your name lately? You may be shocked by how many websites expose and sell your private information. Use Privacy Master to easily request the removal of your information to stop these sites from selling it permanently, all with the push of a button. Another way we beat the competition? Our Money Manager feature finds your bank accounts so you can link them without searching. We also have instant statements and action buttons to ask questions, fix problems, and reverse unrecognized credit card charges directly with your financial institutions. Smart Credit. It only takes 1 minute to enroll. Get started today.
Now, if you want to check out Smart Credit, I will leave the link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section. Now, when it came down to Bank of America finding out the source of these disappearing payments, it was connected to Zelle. Zelle is owned by Bank of America and 6 other banking institutions, and Zelle have been problematic for Bank of America in the past. So apparently with these payments, either they wasn't accredited going out of people accounts or accredited to those Zelle payments going into people account and their balances. So Bank of America right now is still trying to navigate whether the customers are going to be charged overdraft fees for their accounts being in the negative connected to these Zelle payments, which is really kind of crazy because they cause the accounts to be overdrawn. So this is not the first time Bank of America have had these issues with Zelle. There is a customer out of North Carolina that initiated a class action lawsuit against Zelle and also Bank of America because Bank of America is having some issues with scammers posing themselves as Bank of America actual employees, calling from their phone number and then getting information and having them to Zelle payments over to the scammer. I myself have experienced this scam with the same numbers coming from a Bank of America number. I don't know how these scammers are doing this. And they're also sending you a text like their Bank of America. But I was aware of this scam. I just knew that things were off. And so Bank of America is having these issues. So I want to tell you guys some steps on how you can safeguard yourself from this happening to you. Number one, you want to make sure that you have at least one or more bank account with another banking institution. So if you wake up one morning and you have money missing from your bank account, you do not want all your money in one place. So you want to put your money and put your eggs in at least two different baskets. So you don't want to have all of your money in one account. After all, the FDIC only insures your money up to $250,000. So you do want to have multiple banking institutions. So if one bank account get hacked, at least all your money is not taken away out of one account. Now, the second step, as I mentioned, even myself was receiving these scam calls from these numbers from Bank of America, and it happened with other banking institutions. So if you get a call from your bank, make sure you hang up and you call them directly yourself. Because what happened with me, I received this call from a Bank of America number. I don't know how these scammers are doing this, and they're sending texts through a Bank of America text feed. And so these are the protocols of Bank of America when you do have fraudulent accounts or any fraudulent payments coming from your account. But what you need to do is always safeguard yourself and call your banking institution directly to make sure you're not being scammed. Number three, watch out for scam emails. These scammers are using the fraud alert emails that look like they're coming from your banking institution, but when you click on these emails, it'll take you to a website that looks like your bank's website, but is actually set up by scammers capturing your login information. So make sure if you get one of these emails, you call your banking institution directly so you don't get your information taken from scammers and your bank account wiped out. And number four, be careful of using search engines to log in to your bank accounts, because there have been instances where scammers are using Google search engine, even Yahoo search engines to lead you to their fake websites. And these websites look just like, for instance, a Bank of America or TD Bank. And when you go there to log in, they're capturing your information and then turn around and clean out your accounts. I suggest that you will log in with your banking app that you download. Be very careful to make sure that if you are logging in online via the web, to verify that is the correct bank website, because these scammers are getting very advanced with their scams. So I hope this information was helpful to you guys. If you have questions or any comments, just leave it in the comment section. But if you have personal questions, you can reach me at my website. The link is always in the description of this video, and I give free heart inquiry removal letters at my website, so you can download those. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.